Good morning to all. Myself Anil Kumar Rana. My YouTube channel name is Rana Sir E-Learning. Today we are going to learn electricity. It is an invisible form of energy. We feel it when it passes through our body and gives shock. Sometimes it spoils our life. It is a paid master and is a good servant. It means if we behave well, it will do the service like a good servant. And if we misbehave with it, it will spoil our life. The electricity is an invisible form of energy. We feel it when it passes through our body by giving shock. Shock, sometimes it spoils our life. It is a bad master, but is a good servant. If we behave well, it will do the service like a good servant. And if we misbehave with it, it will spoil our lives. Then, speed of electricity. Speed of electricity 2,97,842 kilometer per second, which is near about to light. Unit kilowatt hour, in short kWh, watt hour and watt second. Kilowatt hour larger unit, smaller unit hochi smallest unit watt second. Then measured by electricity is measured by energy meter or kWh meter. kWh means kilowatt hour, the unit. Then add meter, kilowatt hour meter. The most important three items, that is speed of electricity 2,97,842 km per second, unity kilowatt hour, kWh watt hour watt second, measured by energy meter or kWh meter, unity then meter, kilowatt hour meter. Then types. Two types. Static electricity, dynamic electricity. Static electricity. Static electricity, it is that, or static electricity is that in which the electrons are unable to move from one atom to another easily, but the body is saved to be charged when it gives away the free electrons by rubbing method. Rubbing हवा द्वारा, rubbing method रे, rubbing means two substance making collision to each other like this, so then it is called as rubbing. By rubbing method, when one particles, one substance gives away the free electron, then it is charged. Such type of electricity is called as static electricity. Example, if we comb our dry hair with a plastic comb, then it attracts small pieces of paper. Second example, the electricity caused by atmospheric effect or lightning effect, then also that is called static electricity. Third example, when we put up our woolen clothes, then it attracts our skin hair. Next, dynamic electricity. The dynamic electricity is that which is produced by dynamo, or the electricity in which the electrons able to move from one atom to another easily. It is of two types. One is AC, alternating current. Another one is DC, direct current. Alternating current, AC, alternating current count. What is AC? Alternating current is that which changes its magnitude as well as directions at an interval of time. Interval means 50 cycles per second in India and 60 cycles per second in foreign country. It is represented by a wave. It is called as AC. Then DC. Direct current is that which does not change its magnitude as well as directions at an interval of time. It is represented by a straight line. DC is represented by a straight line. AC is represented by a wave. Thank you, all of you. All are requested to subscribe, share and like my channel.